Milk thistle, a prickly purple flower from the Mediterranean, has been used for centuries to support liver health. Milk thistle, also known as Silybum marianum, is packed with a powerful group of compounds called silymarin. This set of compounds is what many experts are particularly interested in because of its potential benefits for the liver. So, if you're curious whether milk thistle could be a helpful addition to your daily routine, stick around. This video is all about the many potential health benefits of milk thistle, backed by science. Let's begin. Number 1. Liver health. The key component in milk thistle is silymarin, a group of powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Studies show that silymarin can be particularly helpful for people with conditions like chronic hepatitis. One study even found that it lowered liver enzyme levels by up to 35%, suggesting it might calm down inflammation in the liver. Milk thistle might also be helpful against high bilirubin levels, which is often a sign of potential liver problems. Studies involving people with alcoholic liver disease showed that milk thistle helped lower bilirubin by 17.7%. It even shows promise for non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, a condition where fat builds up in the liver. Studies show that milk thistle can improve overall liver function in NAFLD patients and even reduce fat accumulation by a significant 30.2%. There's even some research suggesting milk thistle might help with other liver diseases like hepatitis and liver cirrhosis, and even promote the growth of new liver cells. Sounds pretty impressive, right? Number 2. Skin health. Ever wonder if there's a natural way to fight wrinkles, redness, and acne? Milk thistle might be worth checking out. The key ingredient is, again, silymarin, those antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds found in milk thistle. Studies show that silymarin might protect your skin cells from sun damage by neutralizing harmful free radicals that UV rays generate. There's also some evidence that it helps prevent the breakdown of collagen, which is important for keeping your skin firm and youthful. Some studies also show that silymarin might also help with acne. A small study even showed a significant 53% reduction in acne lesions for people who took a daily dose of silymarin for 8 weeks. Silymarin might also be good for skin hydration. It contains linoleic fatty acids, which can help strengthen your skin's natural barrier. This barrier keeps moisture locked in, so your skin stays plump and hydrated. Number 3. Improved cholesterol profile. High cholesterol is a concern for many of us, and it can raise the risk of heart problems. Milk thistle has been getting some attention lately for its potential role in managing cholesterol. Studies show that milk thistle might help lower your bad or LDL cholesterol in 2 ways. First, it might control how much cholesterol your intestines absorb from your food. Second, it might actually boost your good or HDL cholesterol, which helps remove LDL from your body. A 2006 study showed that people with type 2 diabetes who took milk thistle supplements saw a significant drop in their total cholesterol and LDL levels. That's good news, but it's important to note that more research is needed to confirm these benefits for everyone. Here's another thing to consider. Milk thistle might interact with some medications you might already be taking to lower cholesterol. So, if you're on medication, talk to your doctor before adding milk thistle to your routine. Number 4. It may have anti-cancer effects. Cancer is a scary word, and anything that might help fight it is worth exploring. Studies show that milk thistle might work on cancer cells in many ways. One possibility is that it disrupts the growth cycle of cancer cells, potentially slowing their spread. For example, some research suggests silymarin, the active ingredient in milk thistle, might prevent cancer cells from multiplying and spreading. In fact, silymarin reduced prostate cancer cell growth by a whopping 80% in lab experiments. Another potential benefit is that milk thistle might help traditional cancer treatments work better. Studies have shown that silymarin might even increase the effectiveness of chemotherapy by protecting healthy cells from the damaging effects of these drugs. There's also some evidence that milk thistle can help manage the side effects of cancer treatments, like radiation, surgery, and chemo. Some small-scale studies have shown reductions in fatigue, nausea, and liver damage in patients receiving these therapies when combined with milk thistle. But remember that, although milk thistle shows promise as a complementary approach alongside conventional cancer treatment, it is not a replacement for these therapies. The National Institutes of Health emphasizes the need for further research on milk thistle for cancer treatment. Number 5. Bone health. Keeping our bones strong is crucial throughout life, but it becomes an even bigger concern as we age. The thing is that bones are constantly undergoing a remodeling process, with new bone forming and older bone tissues breaking down at the same time. The problem with osteoporosis is that the bone breakdown process becomes faster than bone formation, gradually leading to weak and fragile bones. First, let's talk about women and bone health. In women, estrogen plays a vital role in keeping bones strong, and after menopause, its levels naturally decline. This decline in estrogen is a major risk factor for osteoporosis in women. That's where milk thistle's potential gets interesting. Some research suggests that milk thistle might help by stimulating the activity of osteoblasts, the bone-building cells. Additionally, it might inhibit the activity of osteoclasts, the cells that break down bone. This double effect can be particularly helpful for women experiencing bone loss due to estrogen deficiency. And yes, for older adults too. Number 6. Brain health. As we age, our brains are naturally exposed to oxidative stress, which can damage brain cells and contribute to cognitive decline. Studies done in labs and with animals suggest that silymarin, the active ingredient in milk thistle, might help prevent this damage. Remember how we talked about milk thistle's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties? These very properties might be why it shows promise for brain health. They could potentially act as a shield for your brain cells, protecting them from damage caused by free radicals, unstable molecules that can contribute to cognitive decline as you age. One primary reason behind Alzheimer's and other neurodegenerative conditions is amyloid plaques. These plaques can disrupt communication between brain cells and contribute to memory loss and other cognitive problems. Interestingly, some animal studies suggest that milk thistle might help reduce the number of amyloid plaques. So, with milk thistle as a tiny but regular part of your diet, you might stand a better chance against age-related cognitive decline. Number 7. Blood sugar regulation. Studies suggest that silymarin might improve insulin sensitivity. Improved insulin sensitivity means your cells become more responsive to insulin, allowing them to absorb sugar from the bloodstream more effectively. This also means that your body needs less insulin to achieve the same blood sugar control. In fact, a 2013 study shows that people with type 2 diabetes who took milk thistle supplements saw a significant 20% decrease in their fasting blood sugar levels. Besides that, milk thistle's anti-inflammatory effects may also help prevent many complications associated with diabetes, particularly diabetic neuropathy, where consistently high blood sugar gradually damages the nerves, causing symptoms like fatigue, numbness, and tingling sensations in hands and feet. Number 8. It can strengthen your immune system. Keeping your immune system strong is key to fighting off infections and staying healthy. Studies show that milk thistle might act as an immunomodulator. This means that if your immune system is sluggish, milk thistle might help stimulate it. Silymarin from milk thistle can increase the activity of certain immune cells involved in fighting off infections. Another thing is that sometimes the immune system can go into overdrive, leading to chronic inflammation or autoimmune conditions. Milk thistle can help by suppressing the activity of certain immune cells that contribute to inflammation. Now let's see how to get milk thistle, its dosage, and potential interactions you might be aware of. Milk thistle comes in various forms, as a supplement in tablets and capsules, powder, and even in the form of tea. If you're considering supplements, look for standardized extracts with at least 70 to 80% silymarin content. Most experts recommend 200 to 400 milligrams of silymarin daily in divided doses in the morning and evening. For starters, milk thistle tea seems like a more suitable option. Most importantly, milk thistle can interact with certain medications, including blood thinners, heart disease or hypertension medications, diabetes medications, anti-anxiety drugs, and some chemotherapy drugs. It's always best to talk to your doctor before starting any new supplement to ensure it won't interfere with your ongoing medications. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel to support our mission to help improve your health. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.